Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be trying some authentic Laos snacks. Now, keep in mind they might not be actually like from Laos or a Lao company, but it could be Cambodian, Thai. Yeah, anyway, these are snacks I've picked up in Laos. Been to Cambodia, I haven't really seen these as much. A few you'll get in Cambodia and Thailand and stuff. Yeah, anyway, let's get tasting some Laos snacks. Alrighty, so first off we've got Larp flavored chips. Now, these are authentic to Laos. I'm guessing because larp is a dish here in Laos. It's pretty much like a method of preparing different meats. I've had like a beef Lao. These look good. Can't smell too much. So look at that. Just regular thickness. Oh yeah, there's some unique herbs and spices you taste. Not the crunches chip. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what like the spices are that are used in larp. It does remind me of like the seasonings used in that beef larp dish I tried. Yeah, it's got some heat to it, and it's almost like lemony, like a bit of citrusy, a bit of heat, some spice. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Yeah, it kind of will remind you of larp if you've tried larp before. Yeah, it's hard to describe. You don't see any other chips like this type of flavor. So official rating for the Larp chips is a 7.4 out of 10. So up next we've got a Euro cake. I've seen these in Cambodia as well. This is the banana flavor. They come in a bunch of different flavors. This is an individual one. Get like a big value pack. It's quite moist, quite soft. Oh, actually look at that. I don't know if you can tell there. Yeah, it's like oozing out. Oh yeah, it's got that like oozing paste there. Oh, that's nice. It's like one of those muffin bars that you'll find in like Australia. You get them at Woolies. It's got that like gooey inside. That's nice. Yeah, that's quite pleasant, especially banana flavor. I'm a big fan of banana flavored foods. Official rating on that one, 7.7 out of 10. Alrighty, so what we got next, I'm excited for this. I've seen these in Cambodia. Look at this. So it's like a dried fish. It's kind of like a jerky. They really like the length, to emphasize the length of it. Yeah, fish snack. Oh yeah, you can smell like a salty fish smell. It's like a piece of fabric or something almost. It reminds me of some Swedish, like a bit like caviar or like smoked salmon. There's not much chew to it because it is so thin. It's not as chewy as jerky. The texture is almost a bit cardboardy. If I had to describe the taste of it, it's like smoked salmon. Not sure if it's high in protein. No, 6 grams. A lot more carbs. Official rating for these fish snacks, 7.5 out of 10. Alrighty, so what we got next is a beverage here. So this is Tamarind Juice, fruit drink. So yeah, in these Asian countries, there's always lots of different like tea. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is exactly a Lao exclusive drink, or probably find it in other Southeast Asian countries, but tamarind. I'm not sure what tamarind is actually. Oh, it smells like ginger. Yeah, it's kind of like gingery, but not that strong. Tamarind. Fine selection, 100% natural fruit drink. It's not overly sweet. It's got that, I guess, tamarind flavor. Maybe you've tried tamarind before, but basically if I had to describe it, it's like ginger but not as strong. Quite a pleasant drink. Official rating is a 7 out of 10. So up next we have these chicken flavored coated peanuts. This brand here, you see a lot of snacks from this brand here in Laos. Different types of savory snacks. Oh, it's actually in a can, like a tuna tin. Oh, okay, what? So you got the top layer and then it's like, what's this? Oh, it's a little coupon to win like a scooter or a Samsung phone or something. Oppo, they have lots of Oppo phones here. Oh yeah, strong peanutty flavor smell. Not much chicken smell really. It's not a very strong chicken flavor. It's definitely got that crunchy outside. If no one told you it was chicken, you probably wouldn't know it was a chicken flavored one. So official rating on these ones, pretty easy to eat. I'm gonna give them a 7.1 out of 10. Alrighty, I'm excited for this one. This one's quite weird. So what we got here is a limited edition Lay's Cooling Melon Bingsu flavored chips. So not a savory flavor from what I'm thinking. It's like a melon bingsu flavor, whatever that is. It's limited edition. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa, when you smell it, it's actually like cooling, like, it's like a melon in here. Wow. Thin texture there. Oh wow, the flavor's definitely there. It's kind of like a mix between a savory and a sweet, because like obviously you have the potatoes and the crunch, it's kind of like that savory flavor. Then you've got that melony flavor. Actually does have like a cooling effect, like it's not really cooling sensations, it's not really like a false marketing thing. It actually has a cooling effect. That's good. It's yeah, it's definitely a different take on the regular salty savory chips. I've probably had bingsu somewhere in my time around Asia. Yeah, it's definitely like a melony flavor. It's like not cantaloupe, that's what Americans say. Yeah, rock melon. It's really good. Official rating 7.9 out of 10. Right, so this is another item that looks good. It's coconut crispy rolls, sour cream onion seasoning. So I'm not sure if this is going to be savory or sweet, but it's like a coconut roll, but it's got a sour cream onion seasoning. So that's sour cream onion, obviously a popular chip flavor, but in a coconut roll, I'm not sure. Handy Ziploc bag. If I can open it. Quite half empty. That's strange because when you see this, you think like a wafer stick, like chocolate vanilla, and then you bite into it and you hit with like that pretty strong sour cream onion flavor. It's almost confusing, like, because that texture is definitely 100% a wafer, and you kind of expect that almost, and then it's like, it's that savory sour cream onion flavor. It's kind of weird. Oh, and I'm also getting a hint of sweetness. They're not like disgusting, it's kind of okay to eat. Official rating 6.5 out of 10. Next up, we've got a Birdie Robusta Coffee. Yeah, these Southeast Asian countries, they have a lot of these like ready to go iced coffees. I've probably seen this somewhere else in Asia. Let's give it a taste. Not as sweet as some of the ready to go coffee drinks. Quite a richer, stronger taste. I prefer that. I don't like the real sweet drinks. I'm more of like a black coffee drinker. It's got a hint of sweetness, but it's quite nice. Yeah, good to get that caffeine hit. Official rating is a 7.3 out of 10. Up next we have these Rollercorn, so another weird sort of sweet snack here. Milk flavored snack, Rollercorn. It looks like a wafer again. I'm not sure what to expect. Come in a packet like this. Like little hollow tubes. That's the texture of a cheesel for sure. It's kind of what it reminds me of, but it's like sweet. Yeah, it's got that like sort of corny flavor to it. Corn. Yeah, it's like a milky corny flavor as it's described. It'd be like if cheesels come out with like a sweet version or something, but it's a slightly different, softer consistency, but it's definitely like cheesel. Oh, these are real nice to eat. They're good. Official rating on these like corn cheesels. Oh, they're an 8.1. Alrighty, so obviously chips there's lots of different flavored chips here in Southeast Asia. So this is a Thai taste, so it's like a Thai version, extreme hot chili flavor. There's a bunch of these unique Lay's flavors, especially extreme. I like spicy. I wonder if it actually lives up to the hype. Yeah, so with these Thai ones, there's like green curry, like a laksa, tom yum, bunch of flavors. Can't smell too much. That. Yeah, you feel a bit of heat coming to you straight away. Extreme hot chili, so this should be pretty damn extreme. I feel a bit of heat, maybe it's gonna hit me at once. It's not all that spicy. I do find I have like a bit of a higher spice tolerance, like I enjoy spicy, but yeah, you can kind of feel it in the back of your throat a little. It's not all that spicy. I think if I kept on going and ate the whole packet, I'd have a bit of a burn going on, but I don't think it quite lives up to the hype. Like, you see this and you're like, oh, this is gonna be a challenge. Like, you you slip one of these in a regular packet of chips and then your mate's gonna be like on fire and he won't know what hit him. Not actually as spicy as it looks. So official rating is a 6.2. What I got here is another beverage. So this looks like a honey tea. Might be honey lemon. No real English in this product. Product of Thailand. Oh yeah, it smells like honey tea. It's not all that sweet. It's kind of like a cool honey tea. Not sure if there's like lemon in it, but usually honey and lemon goes together in a tea. Yeah, I definitely do think there is lemon in there. Oh no, oh, it actually says here. So it's chrysanthemum. I've kind of heard of that. I think it's some kind of herb or something. Official rating is a 5.8 out of 10. Up next is these biscuits. So this is, I think this Jack and Jill brand it might be Laos. Yeah, anyway, you see a bunch of these biscuits here in Laos. There's all these different flavors. Looks like I got the lemon ones. Looks like I got the family pack. So here's an individual packet. Yeah, they come in a bunch of different flavors. I'm not guessing it's gonna be too unique. Yeah, kind of like a Barnett's biscuit. Thin bit of cream, not overly generous. Yeah, it's like one of those vanilla ones you get in those Arnott's packets, filled with custard cream. Yeah, nothing special. Okay, biscuit. Slight hint of lemon. Official rating is a 6.5 out of 10. Alrighty, so the last item, I'm pretty excited for this. It's the brand is Jack's, and it looks like a chocolate flavored chip. So yeah, I don't think I've ever seen a chocolate flavored chip before. So this looks pretty good. Good way to wrap up with some dessert. Oh, what? So look at this. They actually have like a chocolate, so it's like a chocolate dipping sauce and then like little chips like this. So I'll try chip on its own. Yeah, salty, like a salty potato chip. I don't think this is gonna be enough chocolate sauce for all of this. I'm gonna open this, but the chips on themselves slightly salty. Alrighty, so it took a bit of time to get open, but I've got it open now. Just dip it in. Oh, it's quite thick. Look at that. Yeah, quite a nice, kind of like a rich chocolate sauce. Definitely not enough for all of those chips. It's a nice chocolate sauce. Oh, actually, it's not all that bad. So there's another one. Yeah, so that must be a decent ratio. There's probably a couple. There's like, this is I think 2 servings, so maybe there's 2 of these, but it's okay. It's nothing life-changing. The chocolate sauce, it's pretty good, pretty thick. Yeah, not bad. Official rating, as I'll spill it, 6.8 out of 10. So that's a wrap for this Laos snack video. Overall, best items I recommend you to try these Larp flavored chips, because Larp is one of the main dishes here in Laos. My other favorite thing with these, it's like a smoked salmon. Pretty cool. You see them around. Yeah, give them a try. These cooling chips, if they still have them, but these are really good. These like corn flavored cheesels, they were quite good. Yeah, so that's a wrap for this Laos snack video. I've got Cambodia ones like Indonesia, Singapore, New Zealand, a bunch of countries. So if you liked the video, I'd appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. Yeah, subscribe for more travel videos, and I'll see you in the next one.